Hi guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Aero Hotel Manila and katatapos lang po natin ngayon mag-host ng event. Of course, mag-staycation po ulit tayo for tonight. Thank you very much, Storia Manila, for this room. Maraming salamat po. Dahil gabi na natapos yung ating event, syempre stay na muna tayo para hindi na muna tayo mag-travel pa uwi dahil it's too late na po. Ayan. Thank you, and of course, work mode tayo later with my Lucky. Ayan, flexing the CR. Napakalinis. Okay. Thank you, Storia.